out my building. You're gonna get the out my building. I could do whatever.
Cardi B civil assault trial breakdown. Alright, today we're talking about Cardi B. Now smack dab in the middle of a civil trial over an alleged altercation with a security guard back in 2018. When she was 4 months pregnant, while she was keeping that pregnancy hush-hush, the guard says Cardi B spat on her, scratched her face with her fingernail, and threw some nasty words at her. But Cardi, she's been on a stand this week saying exactly this. She couldn't get a scratch from me because I didn't touch her. Bold, right? She stuck to it. It was a verbal fight, nothing physical, she said. They ended up chest to chest in the hallway. Words exchanged, tempers flared, but she's adamant. I didn't hit her. She didn't hit me. There was no touching, so to me, it wasn't no incident. Cardi also dropped that line about feeling cornered. This girl's about to beat my ass, she said. And she wasn't playing because according to her, the guard was following her around and even recording her without her permission. That's what sparked the whole thing. Then you got the more ridiculous yet iconic moment. Cardi walks in rocking a $7,000 tweed fit and a wig switch mid-trial that went viral. That's right, she played the courtroom fashion like it was a fucking runway. 7K volley plus wig drama. No wonder the internet lost it. On the plaintiff's side, the security guard claims trauma, cosmetic surgery for the scars, job loss. She's seeking serious damages. Cardi says it's around 24 million. And Cardi, she's calling it a straight cash grab. But here's the kicker. The receptionist and the doctor from that day support Cardi's side. The receptionist said she saw the guard reach out, not Cardi, and ended up with the cut herself. The doctor didn't see any injury on the security guard either. That is a huge boost for Cardi's defense. So what's going on? You've got Cardi's face series still popping off with jokes on the stand, rocking designers while defending herself. You've got a dramatic throwdown framed as self-defense and privacy invasion. You've got 24 million on the table. And above it all, the question, was it a shakedown or did Cardi just handle it in other ways? Only time will tell how the jury sees it, but you already know this isn't just a trial, it's a show. And Cardi B already brings the sauce. Drop what you think in the comments. Was Cardi justified stepping off the elevator in her own world, or did she overstep? Let me know, and don't forget to stay tuned with DJ Faceless Animal for the next breakdown.
Now may I please have you stand right next to the court reporter? Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. May I please have you state and spell your first and last name for the record?
My name is Beverly Hills.
May I please have you spell it?
The whole thing?
First last name, sorry.
Okay. VELCALMANZAR.
Great, thank you. You may take a seat. Please watch your step.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all for coming back. Good afternoon, Miss Almanzar. Do you prefer I call you Miss Almanzar, Cardi B, or it doesn't matter?
I mean, y'all can call me Cardi B.
You feeling better today?
And I'll need you to speak up now.
Yeah,
Hard to hear you.
yeah, a little better.
Your birthday is October 11, 1992.
Yes,
You're left-handed.
yes.
Are you the firstborn child?
To my mom.
Did you take any medication, drugs, or alcohol that would affect your ability to testify today?
No.
On the date of the incident, did you have black hair, blonde hair, or different color hair?
I quite don't remember. I do know I had a hoodie on.
Well, yesterday you had black hair, short hair. Today it's blonde and long. Which one is your real hair? Or are they both real?
They're wigs.
Okay, sorry, I didn't know that. It's a good week today then. Do you have any, how long did you spend with the doctor that day?
I'll say about 25 to 30 minutes. Around that time. Not that much.
And when you were there on that date with Dr. Finke, did he examine you?
Yes, he examined my baby for a little bit.
And what baby was that? What number?
Number 1.
Oh, that was the first child you ever had?
That's my first child, yes.
And you were 25 years old at the time?
Yes.
You're aware that plaintiff was the same age as you at the time?
No.
When you were outside in the hallway, before you entered Dr. Finke's office, did you see this individual, Imani Ellis, in the hallway?
She was waiting for, she was right in front. As soon as the door of the elevator opened, she was waiting, I guess, for the elevator. She was going inside the elevator.
And you were coming outside of the elevator?
Yes.
Do you know approximately what time it was when this occurred?
About, I guess, like in the afternoon, 1 o'clock, around there. Yeah. 1 something.
Have you ever seen Dr. Finke either before or after February 24th of 2018?
No.
When you went to Dr. Finke's office, your security guard drove you there?
Yes.
And his name is Karan Newton?
He was my security guard. Yes.
Did you have more than one?
It depends, but he was just my main one, yes, at the time.
Did he go up with you to the medical field?
No, I didn't want him to know that I was going to an OBGYN.
You didn't want your security guard to know that?
No,
Why?
first, I didn't want people to know that I was pregnant. Second, I was a little like, I don't want a guy that I work with to know I'm going to a vagina doctor.
Did you trust your security guard?
In certain ways, yes. In certain ways, no. I don't know. Sometimes you just really don't trust everybody in your business. You don't want everybody in your business.
Was your security guard with you in the lobby of the building at 8920 Wilshire Boulevard on February 24, 2018?
In the lobby, yes. When I was exiting. He was in
the lobby with you,
in
right?
the lobby. I can't say he was with me because we was leaving. He never went upstairs, so.
Do you know if your security guard, Karan Newton, spoke with Miss Ellis at any time that day?
He did not tell me he spoke to her at all.
Do you know if he did?
He told me he didn't. So I'm gonna go with his word. No, because I was like, I told him like what happened upstairs. He was like, damn, I should have went upstairs. But he never told me that he spoke or seen her, so I wouldn't know.
You came to this courthouse with another fine gentleman security guard, correct?
Yes.
Objection, relevance, assistant.
And when you go to different places with your security guard, if an incident occurs where you're threatened, or you're injured, or anything happens,
Yes.
aren't they supposed to come help you?
Objection, relevance,
Well,
assistant.
You don't have to answer. When the incident occurred, did you call your security guard or send him a text message or do anything to let your security guard who was with you know that something happened where you wanted his help?
Objection, argumentative to this is with overrule.
I told him like yo, you wouldn't even believe what just happened upstairs. And he was like, what happened? And I practically told him, like, I'll tell you later, like, when I leave. I'm like, wait for me. But I told him, like, wait for me downstairs, like, by the door. And that's what I told him.
If you were in any danger, would you call your security guard, or would you call the police, or would you call both? Or do nothing?
Irrelevant. Assisting.
Did you feel that you were in danger on February 24th, 2018, when you were upstairs on the 5th floor?
For like those 50 seconds, yeah. After I went to my appointment and like the argument just passed me, I didn't even mind it anymore.